Hey everyone, it's Stefan with You Brake Guy Fix with another R&I guide for you. We're doing an Infiniti Q50 rear door panel removal. They only made these things between 2014 and 2024, so this should apply to all Q50s. Use a right angle pick tool, that's a radiator hose pick tool, but normally I use a right angle pick tool to pull that cover off behind the door handle. Which hides a 10 millimeter. Then I use the same thing to pull the little cover at the bottom of the interior grab handle area. There's a Phillips screw in there. Okay, take the 10 millimeter out, and then the Phillips screw. This door is on a stand because it's a used door. Normally there's a rubber plug clip you got to remove out of that spot. Pull the door panel off from the bottom and then lift it off the top. There is a clip in the upper right hand corner. Just lift up. There you go. Then we got to take care of the wires and cables. One plug for the window controls. And there are two cables going to the door handle, one for the locking mechanism and one for the latch to release the door. That's it. Door panel's off. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this. I'm going to try and get videos of like everything.